Upgrades to the B-52 include a new Rolls Royce engine, a radar similar to a modern-day fighter aircraft, and new cockpit communication panels. Boeing says it's already started its initial design process.
With new engines, a new radar, as well as a new comm suite, isn't going to be the same B-52 that we flew in Vietnam. It's going to be something relevant that will keep our adversaries on their toes and afraid for years to come.
Rolls Royce won the U.S. Air Force's B-52 Commercial Engine Replacement program designed to replace the TF-33 engines of the B-52H bombers with a more modern and efficient turbofan. The competition was launched about 5 years ago after the U.S. Air Force evaluated projects to upgrade the veteran Boeing bomber, including installing 4 more powerful engines in place of the 8 TF-33s. The new engines are derived from the Rolls-Royce BR family of commercial engines, which have over 30 million hours of operation and a high reliability rate. The company states that the F-130 is a proven, dependable engine with a fuel-efficient design that will provide higher fuel efficiency, reduced air refueling requirements, and significantly lower maintenance costs for the B-52 fleet, reduce pollutant emissions, and make the B-52H even more capable by providing a superior range compared to the TF-33 engine. The new engines will extend the life of the B-52 fleet for 30 years. F-130 engines are expected to remain on wing for the remainder of the aircraft's life due to their durability. The B-52 Commercial Engine Replacement Program is the most important and comprehensive upgrade to the B-52 in over half a century. Major General Jason Armagost, Director of Strategic Plans, Programs, and Requirements at Headquarters Air Force Global Strike Command, Barksdale Air Force Base, Louisiana. The F-130 engine will be manufactured in the USA in a plant in Indianapolis, Indiana. The first 2 B-52Hs are expected to be converted by 2025 and will then be used on test flights for certification. With over 600 new engine deliveries expected, this milestone test program is the first time F-130 engines have been tested in the dual-pod engine configuration of the B-52 aircraft, which is equipped with 8 engines in 4 pods. The engine testing will focus on crosswind aerodynamic flow, as well as confirming the successful operation of the engine's digital control system. The Air Force's B-52s are set to get a host of other upgrades in the coming years. As well, this includes new communication systems, improved electronic warfare suites, and new weapons, such as the nuclear-armed AGM-181A long-range standoff cruise missile and future conventionally armed hypersonic weapons in the coming years. All of this is to help ensure the bombers will remain relevant nuclear and conventional strike platforms in future conflicts, including potential high-end ones like a major fight in the Pacific against China. The overarching modernization effort is expected to significantly alter how the bombers look externally. Among the planned upgrades is a new APG-79 active electronically scanned array radar that could boost the bomber's situational awareness and targeting capacity. In service until 2050, the U.S. Air Force has decided to retire the newest B-1 bomber and B-2A bombers while preserving a large fleet of B-52s in service. Versatile and reliable, the B-52 is also capable of performing conventional and nuclear missions and is expected to remain in service until 2050 after upgrades. It will operate alongside the new B-21 Raider, a 6th-generation stealth bomber being developed by Northrop Grumman. The B-52 is a long-range, strategic bomber that has been in service with the United States Air Force since 1955. The aircraft has played a crucial role in several military operations, including the Vietnam War, the Gulf War, the Iraq War, and the war in Afghanistan. In a conventional conflict, the B-52 can perform strategic attack, close air support, air interdiction, offensive counter-air, and maritime operations. For more than 60 years, B-52s have been the backbone of the strategic bomber force for the United States. The B-52 is capable of dropping or launching the widest array of weapons in the U.S. inventory. This includes gravity bombs, cluster bombs, precision-guided missiles, and joint direct attack munitions. Updated with modern technology, the B-52 is capable of delivering the full complement of joint-developed weapons and will continue into the 21st century as an important element of our nation's defenses. The Air Force currently expects to operate B-52s through 2050.